Hi everyone, Kyle Barkford with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. We're looking at the new 2023 G23 from Nautique. The spec on this is the Victory Red Metal Flake with black and gray accents. Beautiful boat here, one of the best wakeboard boats in the world. As we move to the rear of the boat, you'll see we got a great rear layout here. Underneath the boat, you have your stern thruster, surf system, and surf pipes. As we move into the boat, you can see there's a great walkthrough here. The interior spec is the haze gray with the Victory red accents. We have the gray sea deck. Wonderful layout here. JL audio systems, very innovative helm, and we also got the 6.2 liter PCM 450 horse motor in here. If you want more information on this boat or take a test drive, get a hold of us at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks.